1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is Joey with Sun Outdoors in Pigeon Forge. People know this is the home of Dolly Parton, but I know this is the home where it all began for Tiffany and Steve and their relationship. Let's check out their RV. The smell is beautiful in here.
Thank you.
I like this. Show us around the RV.
So the one-room RV situation, we've got our kitchen, dining room, living room, bedroom, everything in this one area. This is our dining room, dinette area.
Over here we have our little our kitchen area.
Fridge. Right here, we got freezer, fridge. This is a convection microwave, so we can do baking as well as microwaving in that, which is awesome. This is our pantry.
So where do you guys sleep?
So
when it's time
conveniently,
for bed.
Here's our other living room option.
Oh, it's trampoline time, not sleep time. Yeah.
So another question we get a lot is, where do you guys go to the bathroom? Where do you shower? So this is our sink, toilet, fancy schmancy, and then full standing shower right in here.
See, now being full-time in this RV, I mean, you both are creatives.
Yeah.
You in the music world, photography, illustrating. How has this affected that journey?
I mean, with her, I know that one of the things I love is on our drives we'll be seeing all this beautiful scenery, and then we'll park up and she'll show me, check out what I made, and it was literally we were just driving through, but she was just sketching it or water painting it or whatever as we're going, and it's just,
oh my gosh,
I've noticed that with her art, and she's starting to do like drawing tutorials and stuff, and it's all this really free flowing. It mirrors what it feels like the whole vibe in here. She mirrors it with her art.
Thank you.
You do.
I heard there's a honeymoon song.
There's a honeymoon song.
Yes.
Yeah, I wrote a honeymoon song for her that, again, kind of like with music, you know, it was like what was in front of me. I've noticed with my writing, a lot more of that's been coming out in the stuff that I write for. Because I write for myself and for usage. So sometimes it's specific, and other times when it's not, it's just nature and traveling and family and all this good feeling stuff, you know. And it's been calming.
You ready to see Daddy sing?
Waking up to the mountainside, I guess I must be dreaming. The sound of birds as they go about their day. Yeah, anyway, the coffee's warm and the sun is shining, taking the morning view. And we can talk, just me and you. Can't you feel all the magic in the air? It's everywhere. Do you think maybe we could live out here in a place where the time is still? I wonder what is next. So let's take another breath. Smile at
What does that song mean to you? Obviously the emotions come out when he plays it and sings it.
This song brings every vivid memory of such a precious, brief moment in time before we had him rushing back as if it's happening right now. And to me, that's magic, and it's a treasure to me, and I think it'll always do that. I mean, when he played it at first, I'm like, maybe I'm just pregnant, that's why I'm emotional. And then after I had him, maybe it's just postpartum, that's why I'm emotional. And now I'm like, maybe it's just magic. Maybe it's just incredible. And he writes songs like this, and yeah, but it's linked to this place specifically.
Yeah.
So working, you know, coming here and visiting this place with you all, and you know, we're in the heart of it. We're in the heart of why this is such a magical thing.
It's become our special place. We didn't expect it to, and then it just did. And now Pigeon Forge always has like a special place in our heart.
And this being the home of Dolly Parton, we got to show love to Dolly Parton. Where's the Dolly Parton tattoo
I
at?
don't have a Dolly Parton tattoo yet.
We got to change that,
I
right?
think I need
We
one.
got some space right here.
Somewhere there.
Hold your hand. You can do it. You can do it.
Thanks for watching. Clearly, full-time RVing has changed Tiffany and Steve's relationship for the better. How has RVing changed your life? Comment below with the hashtag #MySunYourSide for a chance to win a $200 Sun Outdoors gift card for your next vacation. And click the link below because I want to see your RV for the next episode of RV Cribs. See you next time.